Hey guys, welcome to the new channel. Today in this video we have this Vivo Y22 and I'm going to show you how you can hard reset this device, and there you can see it's locked by a pattern lock. So first of all, turn off the phone and keep holding the volume up and the power key together. Keep holding both of the keys until you see this recovery mode. Once you're in recovery mode, just click on recovery and now just wait for a few seconds. And now go to clear data and just tap on clear all data. This will restore your phone and remove any pattern or any type of screen lock on your phone. Also clear the cache, and that's it. Now just restart the phone and your screen lock will be gone. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.